Government will spend 200 crore rupees to solve the garbage mess at Sonsoda dump. 100 crore rupees will be spent for the new plant and another 100 crore rupees to clear the garbage, Waste Management Minister Michael Lobo said on Tuesday. He said that new plant would have the capacity to treat 50 tons of garbage per day. Sonsoda at present has 2.35 lakhs tons of garbage. This would take 2.5 years to clean it. Goa Solid Waste Management Corporation has issued a tender for garbage treatment plants in 10 locations around the state and work order is to be issued soon. The corporation will inspect Sonsoda and work order to be issued within 8 days. Watch.
100 crore भितर धाकटो plant येतलो थिंगा. 100 crores it will cost to put up a plant which is around 50 tons a day, wet waste, which is enough for that area. If they are talking only about Fatorda, Margam and part of Naveli and part of Kurtori, old waste काडपाकूच so total आमचो tender जो आहा more than 100 crores आहा तो tender. So थिंगासर जितको waste treat जाता तेजेर ते bill जातले. Bill depends on every ton. जितके tons ते treat करतले तितले tonsचे ते bill दितले. Contractor will give that bill. We will assess the this thing. सद्याक ट्रीटमेंटाचो जो कॉस्ट आहा तो भरपूर आहा. आदलो वेस्ट काडून व्हरपाक 2 वर्सां लागतली तेका पूण आमी एक वर्स 2-3 म्हयन्यांनी कंप्लीट करूंक सोदताय. कोऑपरेशन फ्रॉम seeking cooperation from MMC, both the MLAs including Reginald Lawrence of Kurtori, including Louisine Falero of Naveli, mobilize our equipments, machinery, all the earth movers, chain link JCBs, and we will first send them there and we will go for the meeting and inspection. Immediately work will start. I will take the Honorable Chief Minister and the work will start over there. It will take nearly 2 long years. Ode's वर्षा लागतली ती इतलो वेस्ट आहा तो 2,35,000 cubic meters of waste, which is of so many years, and every day आता waste हा तोय थिंगा देता. हाय कोर्टान कितें डायरेक्शन दिला की थिंगा आनी वेस्ट येवंक पारना. थिंगा ट्रीट जायना वेस्ट, थिंगा येवन डंप जाता वेस्ट.